Praising your identity undermines your ability to do. Your personal narrative is feedback. Feedback is praise, and all praise affects performance. Performance is your ability to do. Every day you tell yourself stories, and those stories are personal narratives of you talking to you about you. Those stories are in reality feedback, and this feedback starts the moment you wake up and continues throughout the entire day until you sleep, regardless of your awareness of it. Throughout your entire day, your stories are giving you feedback by praising or condemning some aspect or identity you have of yourself. Personal narratives, more often than not, praise an identity. The most common identities start with I am. And some examples of I am are I am a doctor, I am vegan, or I am fat. Identities also work in the opposite, in the negative, such as I am not good enough. Praising your identity undermines your ability to do because praising rewards the being rather than the doing. Examples of behavior of praising an identity are feeling stuck, lacking motivation, or dreaming up obstacles and catastrophes. You literally become paralyzed in the identity because you can't see yourself doing anything different. You can't see yourself exploring life, embracing a different perspective, or persisting through a new challenge. If you want to do different things, take on different challenges, and embrace different opportunities, you'll have to pay attention to your stories. Listen to yourself say or think the words, I am this, or I am that, or I am not this, and I am not that. Change those I am statements into I do statements. So, I do, or some version of doing, feeds your ability. So it needs to be a verb that does. Instead of saying I am old, you'd say I maintain flexibility and agility by walking and moving my body every day. Instead of saying I'm fat, say I train my brain and body to choose healthy foods. Belief, stories, opinions, labels, self-narrative, and self-talk are all decoys that your mind uses to stay stuck by focusing your attention on being. But you already are, so you do not need to be something else. And that you are is certain. That you are this or that is not. Nisargadatta said being is false, empty, always in search of confirmation and reassurance. It's afraid of and avoids inquiry, because being can't be confirmed except through what it does. When you cling to your identity, you're more likely to cheat yourself out of opportunities, lie about your accomplishments, and steal credit and validation that you didn't earn. Rewrite your self-narrative by giving yourself feedback that propels you, motivates you, and encourages the use of your abilities. Doing changes everything. For more ways to change, subscribe to the channel and to my newsletter. Comment below and hit the thank you thumb. Namaste.